Up to this point, you guys, my Greenlight collection has been somewhat subpar. But I did just get in the mail today the Kings of Crunch Series 9 monster truck set. Freshly packaged, ready to open. Let's get this video started. Let's put this one to the side. I am so sorry. I do not know how that keeps happening. Now let's open this up. Oh, look at this. The first one up is the gorgeous 1989 Chevy S10 Thunder Chicken. Look at that. Is a beautiful monster truck, is it not? Got that gorgeous yellow paint. You can see the Thunder Chicken on the side has a chrome engine, white wheels. It has a black bumper, chrome grille, headlights, has a black bed cover, a yellow bumper on the back. What an outstanding monster truck. I absolutely love it. I love yellow trucks. They always stand out. They're really cool. That is an amazing monster truck. All right, let's go over to the next one. And we have the 1979 Ford F250 West Virginia Mountaineer. What a beautiful truck this is as well. Has that metallic blue paint. And you can see Mountaineer on the side. Great decos on that. Yellow and white wheels. Got a chrome bumper, chrome grille. You can even see its gearbox underneath there. And on the back, it's got a chrome bumper. You can see even the back window where it opens up in the back. That is a beautiful casting. All right, next truck. It's really amazing how those trucks land back there after I throw them up in the air. We have the 1979 Ford F250 Super Monster, right up my alley. Anything called the Super Monster is the way to go. It's got those really standout yellow wheels, has a black roll bar in the back, a black bed cover, cool decos on the side, gold pinstriping. Looks like it has a chrome bumper, chrome grille, gearbox cover. And on the back it says Ford with a chrome bumper. Awesome stuff, even detail in the back window. That is a well-designed monster truck. All right, next truck up. We have the 1970 Chevy K10 US 1 Heritage. And what a beautiful metallic blue paint with all that mud. This is the dirty version of this truck. It is really a beautiful casting. Has those chrome wheels, but they're all dirty. Grill and front bumper, and that's all dirty. There is mud everywhere. He was having a good time. Got that chrome bumper in the back with mud all over it. He has that black bed cover with a Chevy symbol on top and a chrome roll bar. Awesome stuff. Next truck up. All right, let's open these up. And the next truck up is this 1996 Ford F250 Bigfoot number 7. I mean, you're looking at a truck that is metallic blue with flames on it and monster tires. I mean, you don't get much cooler. Just amazing detail. I have one that's somewhat similar. This is the dirty version here. I love the detail. It's got that chrome bumper, Bigfoot on the back. There's no bed cover or roll cage, but you don't need it. It's got a beautiful detail on the front. And you guys can now see why I ordered this set. Amazing. The final truck in this series is this 1986 Chevy S10 Push and Stomp. Black paint with stripes on it. I absolutely love it. It reminds me of the black truck in the Back to the Future. I don't know if you guys remember that one. That Marty McFly always wanted, but look at the detail in the front bumper. Beautiful wheels and tires. Has that chrome roll bar in the back. Great chrome bumper. Just amazing monster truck. That completes the Kings of Crunch from Greenlight Series 9 set. I'd like to thank you guys for watching the video. I plan on doing a few more Greenlight monster truck unboxing videos in the near future. Wouldn't mind giving this video a like so I know you enjoy the content. I would appreciate it. Check out my most recent King of the Hill, and everybody keep playing with your toys. We'll see you all real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.